Well, hello everybody. This is Reagan, your RV traveler's voice, and coming to you from wonderful Akron, Alabama. And the campground is Jennings Ferry, U.S. Army Corps of Engineers campground. And it's a wonderful fall morning here, a crisp 47 degrees. And we're just pulling in here for a short stay. I'll tell you why.
Yes, I'll come back to you. Then I'll ask, what have we done under the sun?
Well, our stay here at Jennings Ferry is brief, and that's not our normal modus operandi, but we are in the middle of a beeline from Virginia back home to Texas, courtesy of Fred. Yes, as the headline said, Fred is dead. Well, that was definitely the case, and we've experienced some downtime before. Just various issues happen while you're out camping and on the road. But this time, Fred was dead for 24 days. 24-day delay while we were on the road because Fred conked out on us and had to have a complete engine replacement, and the rear end went out as well. So lots of fun going on with Fred, but Fred is back up and running and running good as new. Should be good as new with a new engine and a new rear end. And hopefully we'll have many more thousands of miles of good times with Fred and Ethel. So what happened? Well, let me share you the story about our 24-day delay. And there's Fred in the background. And what was going on with Fred? Well, had a lifter problem. And it presented itself while we were going down the road, not pulling Ethel at the time. We were at one of our destinations here in Virginia. And check engine lights came on and took it in to get it checked out, and appeared to be something innocuous. But when we brought it into a nearby Ram dealership, they found the issue was with the lifters. We had a lifter failure, catastrophic lifter failure that sent the portions of the bearing all throughout the engine and completely destroyed the lifter, destroyed the cam, and thus had to have a new engine. We got the new engine in, and during the road test found that the rear end had a problem as well. And so they opened it all up, checked everything out, and got the rear end back up and running. And as we said, 24 days later, we're back on the road, but significantly later than we had planned. Thus, we're making it a beeline to home with Fred and his brand new engine, brand new rear end, and back traveling well. So that's the story of Fred is dead, and now Fred is back alive. This is Reagan, your RV traveler's voice. Stick around. Stay tuned for future adventures with Fred and Ethel. Thanks for watching.